Officially driven!
Hello and welcome to China for a perilous record attempt involving cars, motorbikes, and a complicated set of different-sized ramps. Because today, we're going to witness an attempt to break the most motorized vehicles ramp jump and crossing in mid-air world record. Really? Apparently Al knows what's going on.
Yes, I do. This record involves different motor vehicles jumping off ramps and flying through the air all at the same time, over and under each other.
That sounds ridiculously dangerous.
That's because it is. And the Cherry QQ Stunt Performance Team will be attempting it with 4 motor vehicles. To get this brand new world record, all 4 need to jump the ramps and cross over each other in midair precisely, so they're almost stacked up on top of each other. Preposterously perilous.
Okay, here we go.
The drivers are ready. The stunt boss is wearing trendy shades to look cool for the TV. And the Chinese presenter has finally remembered she needs an official adjudicator. There she is.
How do you think the jumpers are feeling, Al?
Well, if any of them get it wrong, Haruka, there'll be an enormous crash in midair. I should imagine they're feeling just fine. Anyway, time to jump.
Wow, the Cherry QQ boys all survived the jump, Al. But did they cross in the middle?
No! They all jumped at different times, especially this car. With no crossover, there's no record. But I can confirm they are having a second attempt. Come on, boys!
Will it be second time lucky?
This time the bikes have messed it up. They crossed before the cars, so it's another fail. Their jumping skills are perfect, Haruka, but their timing is going wrong.
Let's cross live to the stunt coordinator for his thoughts.
Well, I can't speak Chinese, Haruka, but I can imagine he's quite annoyed, and he'll be having stern words if they don't get it right this time.
Thanks, Al. I think. So can they do it on the 3rd attempt?
They've done it! 4 vehicles crossing over mid-jump!
Incredible skills!
And check out this view from a record-breaking helmet. Flying bikes, flying cars, and a quite excited stunt team covered in confetti. How do we follow that?